Hi guys, in this video I'll be talking about the student commitment form and where to find it in the Georgian Assist app. For this you need to download the Georgian Assist app from Play Store or App Store and register with your email ID. Your personal email or Georgian email ID will work. You can register with either of them. So once you have registered and logged into the app, your status would be interested. You can find that on the top right corner of the app. So to make it on the paid state, you need to go to My Georgian and enter your student ID, enter your Flywire payment ID and upload a screenshot of your Flywire receipt. If you have not paid your college fees using Flywire, then you need to mail georgiansupport@mapleassist.com and they will assist you with it. So once you have entered all these details, your status becomes paid and you will receive a new option called quarantine process. So once you click on quarantine process, you will find a quarantine quiz and you need to complete the quiz. So once the quiz is completed, you will get the student commitment form and the family commitment form option. So you need to fill the student commitment form. Student commitment form is basically a quarantine plan you are submitting to the college, and family commitment form is again a quarantine plan that your family member is providing to the college, and you need to fill family commitment form only if any family is arriving with you to Canada. So once you have completed your student commitment form, within 3 or 1 days of your travel date, you will receive the quarantine commitment letter. In case if you have not received the letter, you can mail it to quarantine support at Georgian College and they will assist you with it. So that is all for today. Thank you.